Common injuries in motorcycle accidents. The reality. Motorcycle accidents often result in severe injuries due to limited protection. Common injuries. Road rash. Skin abrasions from sliding on the road. Broken bones, especially common in limbs and extremities. Head injuries, concussions, or traumatic brain injuries are frequent. Motorcycle accidents can lead to significant injuries that require immediate and ongoing medical attention. Understanding common injuries can help in your claim for appropriate compensation. Always ride safely and consult a lawyer if injured. For more information and a free consultation, please call at 877-ASK4SAM or visit us online at www.ask4sam.net.